Yo guys, if you're interested in how to do this in the Stumble Guys game, make sure you watch the full video because I've already skipped the insignificant parts of it. Alright, so as you can see guys, I've opened my game and I currently have only 1 token and 5 gems. Before going to the next step, please take another look at your username as we're going to use it in a few seconds. So let's get to the reason why you're here. The first step you need to do is go to this site called ontweak.com, and here you can scroll down or simply use the search term to find the Stumble Guys app. Click on this install button even if this will not going to install anything as the whole process will be online. There are plenty of users online and you can also see the recent people who have already used this tool. So just type your username there and select your platform. Click the continue button. Here you have to select the tokens amount and gems amount. Alright guys, so this might look like an annoying step, but there's nothing to worry about. You just have to prove that you're a real human using your device, probably because some people have abused of this already and they just have to make sure everything's okay. Once you click the verify button, you will get a full list of apps which might look fully different for you because it depends on your country. Most of the countries have free ones and for this example, we need to complete just 4 of them. This app, for example, tells us we need to run it for 30 seconds. Let's do it. When you finish the task, just go back and proceed to the next app. I'm not gonna show you all the process inside the apps because that would make this video very boring. It's better when you try it yourself, not to mention that some games are pretty cool. So try not to skip any portion of the video guys. I've already removed the insignificant parts, only a few seconds until we see the final result. Now let's go back to our game and see if it worked. And here we go guys, the gems and tokens are rising and that's exactly the amount I asked for. About 20k tokens and 80k gems, which is more than enough to get some cool stuff. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.